Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to provide you with an informative tutorial on using the BERT API in Python. BERT, or Bidirectional Encoder Representations from Transformers, is a powerful pre-trained natural language processing model developed by Google. In this tutorial, we'll use the Transformers library, which provides easy-to-use interfaces for working with BERT. First, let's install the necessary libraries. We'll create a simple example using BERT for text classification. In this case, we'll use a pre-trained BERT model to classify movie reviews as either positive or negative. Now, let's use BERT for named entity recognition, NER, using the pipeline module from the Transformers library. In this example, we used a pre-trained BERT model fine-tuned for English NER tasks on the CoNLL03 dataset. This tutorial covers the basics of using BERT in Python for text classification and named entity recognition. The Transformers library provides a convenient interface for working with pre-trained models, and you can explore various other applications and models based on your specific use case. Make sure to check the documentation of the Transformers library for more details and options. https://huggingface.co/transformers. ChatGPT